Hi guys, as GTR Heritage Centre, and you are watching our next instalment on the GTR Heritage Centre YouTube channel. Now, I've got some really exciting news. The Heritage Centre's paint programme is open, and I'm gonna start off by showing you around the first car to leave the Heritage Centre paint programme, and what a beauty it is. It is the R31 GTSR. Hi, so here we are, this absolutely gorgeous 1987 Nissan Skyline R31 GTSR, and this is a car that not a lot of people recognise as being a Skyline. In fact, not a lot of people know that this car really exists. The GTSR was the pre-GTR phase of Nissan. 1987, 80s, big bumpers, big spoilers, BBS wheels. It was total package. Start of the RB engine, so it was the RB20 DETR. About 200 horsepower in this, rear wheel drive, made it very nice to drive, very well balanced. But yeah, so it was 823 made, and they were all finished in this colour, the BG8 bluish black. And I have to say, it's a stunning colour. When this car first came to us, it was very faded, needed some minor body repairs. There's been no fabrication on this car at all. And like I said, it came in pre-COVID for the GTR Heritage Centre's paint programme, and obviously then COVID hit. So what have we done to this car? Now, this car obviously came in for the Heritage Centre paint programme. We've done some very minor body repairs. There's been no fabrication done on this car at all. Glasses came out front and rear, all the door steels and everything has been taken off. It was taken back to bare metal. That's right, bare metal. And if I'm honest with you, that is why the car has been such a pleasure to work on, because it's been actually quite an easy process, this car. Like I said, it needed very minimal body repairs on the car. So yeah, it got finished off in the BG8 bluish black, which, like I said, all these GTSRs were finished in the same colour. And if I'm honest with you, I think it's a cracking colour. And this here, by the way guys, just to confirm, this here is how it came out. There's been no polishing, there's been no sanding. This is how the paintwork has came out by our painters at the GTR Heritage Centre here, and I have to say, it looks absolutely flawless. Like I said, you'll get that sort of standard manufacturer's orange peel, which is very aesthetically pleasing, because you've still got this beautiful deep shine, beautiful deep reflections, all this beautiful paintwork here. And once it's sanded down and detailed and polished up, it will look like glass. So while I would love to take credit for this amazing paint job, the beautiful finish on it, sadly I can't, and I'm going to hand you over to the man who is responsible and who can take the credit for this amazing finish on this car, and that's our new body shop manager, Paul, and he will be the one who will be dealing with all of the customer requests regarding the GTR Heritage Centre paint scheme.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm the new body shop manager at the GTR Heritage Centre. Well, I'm a paint sprayer by trade. I'm 56 coming up soon, so I've been in the trade literally 40 years. I've spent some time with Reg Vardy Specialist Cars, where I started as a paint employee and ended up running the shop. Hi, yeah, as I say, I'm delighted to be here and take this place forward with lots of facilities and procedures I've put in place to try and speed up the process, make the process easier for the chaps. But anyway, if you'd like to get in touch, our number's on the screen there, and I'll catch up with you soon.